Yeah, it does. Alright, I'm recording. Go ahead.
That's a good 35 miles.
40.
And hit it.
Oh, that is bad.
What'd you do? Flip it?
Yeah.
I didn't see. Recording, I can't see.
You know what would be bad? We got about 4 or 5 going in the middle of the boat, or the middle of the lake. Yeah, I just do a race. Wow, that thing does turn around. Whoa, you scared the crap out of me. I thought you were going for the duck.
He already hit the duck. He hit it last week.
How far can you go?
You can pretty much go to the edge of the lake.
Okay, no way.
Oh yeah. I did this morning.
About the water. Oh, look at Renee. Renee's over there.
I don't know if I'm seeing any because I can't see any. So I hope I'm getting it.
Go all the way down the end and down there. Wow. Right over the water.
Yeah, it's hydroplaning. I got 2 minutes.